That's Ashton from Like and Med. Now here, the next question is, he was shy of making too much of it and made too little, line 27. Okay, so here he was shy, making too much of the importance of of the type of job he was doing. Okay, so but then at the beginning he seemed quite enthusiastic, so it's like he has to contain himself. Okay, so why is Jim shy about his work? Okay, A, he's enthusiastic about his work, but is afraid of overstating the importance of his job. I guess that seems plausible. That seems like a reason why he would stop himself halfway. B, he thinks that Imogen would despise him. That's very negative. Okay, remember that everything is positive so far. So B is not the answer. Okay, C, he thinks that observing and recording animal behavior is not a very important job. Okay, there's nothing to suggest that he does not think his job is important. Okay, there's no negativeness towards his job. Okay, he's just shy of making too much of his job. Okay, so maybe he thought his job was not cool, but definitely there's nothing to say that he didn't think it was important. Okay, D, he doesn't want to bore Imogen with a long description of his work activities. Okay, now there again, he doesn't want to bore Imogen. Okay, so that's a bit negative as well, but it still could be the answer. But then that's not the case here. It's not that he doesn't want to bore Imogen. Okay, if he didn't want to bore Imogen, he would have just said or made something up, or just kept something short. But in the beginning, you can see that he wanted to describe his work. He was enthusiastic about his work, but then he sort of cut himself short because he was afraid of overstating his of the importance of his job. Okay, so A is the more appropriate answer. So I say again, it's not D. Okay, because if he didn't want to bore Imogen in the first place, okay, he would have just made something up, or he would have just kept it short in the first place. Okay, so answer is A.